Once you put everything that you want in your final movie, you will need to save your project and then export it. When you save your project, you're saving a working project file that you can then go back and edit. So if I wanted to reopen this Windows Movie Maker file after closing it, I would come to the folder where I saved it, I'd open it, then I'd open my Windows Movie Maker file. Notice it opens this Movie Maker file. This isn't what I'd want to share with Miss Erico or to share with another classmate, because you have to have all of these individual files like this audio file and these picture files to be able to open this project file. What you do need to do at the very end of the project is export all of this into a single package that's a typical video file that somebody can play. To do that, make sure that you're on the Home ribbon. Come over all the way to the right-hand side and choose Save Movie. You'll then be given a whole bunch of different options. The two options that you'll probably want to use are either for high definition display or for computer. For computer, the dimensions of the video are going to be a little bit smaller, but the video file will be smaller, and that's a good thing. Since this is so short, I'd probably do for high definition. It's not going to be that big, but it's still going to be much bigger than this. So I'm going to select this one. You, if you have a whole bunch of pictures and narration, will probably choose for computer. You'll then be prompted to save your video file. And notice this is an MPEG-4 H.264 video file. That's what you would want to share. I'm going to save it into the folder where I have my project file. I'm going to keep the name the same. It won't overwrite my project file because this is a different file type. And I'm going to click Save. When the green bar is about to fill, you will see it disappear, and then it will prompt you. It says you can now play your video file. Instead of just playing it directly and opening the file, I'm going to click Open Folder. You can now see that I have two Hobbit Willie Ks. This one right here is my Windows Movie Maker file. It's what I would open if I wanted to edit or add something else to my final video. My final video in this version of Windows 8 looks like a little orange traffic cone, and it has the same name. This is what I would open to view and what I would share with other people.
What is a hobbit? Hobbits are little.
And that's how you would export your video file.